The Recurring Schedules feature within the Cardknox Merchant Portal provides a reliable way to set up automatic payments, saving you time versus manually processing payments. This feature is especially useful for subscription services, membership-based businesses, or for setting up payment installments. The Recurring Schedule module shows you all of your customers who are currently set up on an automatic payment schedule. The columns display all the relevant information for each schedule, including the schedule ID, customer name, email, frequency, amount, and more. Filter for specific schedules by inputting your parameters in the column fields, or use the Filter button to set your criteria. There are many ways to set up recurring schedules from the Cardknox Merchant Portal. Let's start by learning how to set up a template to use across your customer database. If your business frequently uses the same recurring schedules, which is common with subscription tiers or membership plans, our Recurring Schedule template tool will save you time. You'll be able to create a custom template that can be applied to future customers with a click of a button. For example, a gym or health club typically charges a set monthly amount until a customer cancels their membership. So in this case, we would select monthly, enter the amount, set the number of payments to indefinite, and click Save. This template is now available across your database to apply to customers that have a monthly membership payment. This recurring schedule template will be visible as an option when adding a schedule to a customer record, as you'll see next. Adding a recurring schedule to an existing customer is easy. In the Customers module, we'll select a customer from the list, then navigate to Recurring Schedules. From here, choose Add Recurring Schedule. Enter the details of the schedule, or select a template from the drop-down menu to automatically populate the fields. After saving this schedule, you can use the secondary menu to deactivate the schedule, save it as a template, preview upcoming payments, view past payments, see the full details of the schedule, or remove the schedule. If you ever need to update the schedule's terms, the Customer Details screen allows you to edit any payment details. For example, you can update your monthly fee or stop payments after a certain date. You can also access this detailed view by navigating to the Recurring Schedule module and selecting the schedule you'd like to view and edit. Note that multiple recurring schedules can be applied to any one customer. Active schedules are denoted by the green checkmark icon, while inactive schedules have a gray checkmark. Use the trash icon to delete this schedule, or click on the paper airplane to send your customer a payment request form with pre-filled billing information. Next, the plus icon allows you to quickly process a one-time transaction. Finally, be sure to click Save to ensure any changes you make are implemented. If you need to add a recurring schedule for a new customer who is not yet entered in your database, simply click the New button on the Recurring Schedule screen. You can also use the New button on the left navigation or navigate to the Customers module and click New. The pop-up form gives you the ability to enter all of your customers' basic information, as well as the recurring schedule details. Use the Advanced view to complete additional fields and easily navigate the various sections of the customer's record, including the recurring schedule. The Settings module gives you a variety of options to set your preferences for recurring schedules. Here you can apply the default payment method and decide whether or not to hide the checkbox for skipping holidays when setting up a recurring schedule. Under Processing, determine what you'd like the system to do in the case of a payment method failing. Due to risk concerns, note that retries are limited to a maximum of 3 on new merchant accounts. The email settings allow you to send your customer a receipt each time a recurring payment occurs. You can also elect to send yourself a daily summary of recurring payments by selecting the checkbox and entering your email address. If you select the last checkbox, you'll receive an email when the maximum number of payment retries has been reached. Check out our YouTube channel for more detailed videos on how to use the Cardknox Merchant Portal or visit the Cardknox Knowledge Base. Need one-on-one support? Our friendly team of support experts is only a phone call away. Let us know how we can help.